A student examines a drop of pond water using a microscope. After he examines it under a microscope and performs several lab tests, he concludes that the object is a living thing. Which of the following observations most likely led to the student's conclusion? A. The object had minerals. B. The object had a green tint. C. The presence of one or more cells. Or D. The object is moving. The cell theory has three main components. It states that all living things are made of one or more cells. What else is true of all cells? A. They all have DNA and a nucleus. B. They all have cytoplasm. C. They all have DNA in their cytoplasm. D. They only have cytoplasm if they have DNA. Eukaryotic cells and prokaryotic cells have some parts in common. What else would a scientist find in both eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells? A. A nucleus. B. A cell wall. C. Minerals. Or D. A cell membrane. What is the most basic unit of all forms of life? A. DNA. B. Cell. D. Atoms. Or D. Molecules. Eukaryotic cells and prokaryotic cells have some things in common and some characteristics that are different. The difference between these two cell types is A. The presence of a cell membrane. B. The presence of organelles. C. The presence of a nucleus containing DNA. Or D. The presence of cytoplasm. A student looks at bacteria through a microscope during a science lab. How does the image he sees help him identify the cell as a prokaryote? A. He confirms the cell has a cell membrane. B. He confirms the cell has cytoplasm. C. He confirms the cell has tiny organelles. Or D. He confirms DNA is located in the cytoplasm and lacks a nucleus. Eukaryotic cells and prokaryotic cells have some parts that are different. Which of the following would you find only in a eukaryotic cell? A. DNA in the nucleus. B. DNA in the cytoplasm. C. A cell membrane. Or D. DNA. Eukaryotic cells and prokaryotic cells are classified by their DNA location. Prokaryotic cells do not have what feature? A. DNA. B. Cytoplasm. C. Nucleus. Or D. Cell membrane. Looking at the images of the two cell types, what is the name of the object that the arrow is pointing at in the eukaryotic cell? Is it the cell wall? B. The nucleus. C. Mitochondria. Or D. Cytoplasm. It's pointing to this object right here. Based on the chart of characteristics and the checked boxes, which image best fits the description of a eukaryotic cell? So looking at our chart, eukaryotic cells need energy, they reproduce, they exchange gases, they contain a nucleus, and they contain hereditary information. It's also known as DNA. So which one of these images best fits those descriptions?